Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we are looking at ZimGospel singers with their wives or husbands in 2025. At number 1, we have the Charambas, Baba Charles Charamba and my Olivia Charamba. They are probably one of the couples that have been married the longest on this list. They met in 1995, got married in 1997 and currently have 5 children. They say that the secret to their long-lasting marriage is having a relationship with God as a couple and also communicating clearly without having any assumptions. At number 2, we have Minister Michael Mayendere and his wife Vimbai Nyatsambo Mayendere. These two got married in December 2011, which means they will be celebrating their 14th anniversary in 2025, and they have 3 children. Our number 3 is Minister Elad Cherai and his beautiful wife Sharon Manyonganise Cherai. These two have been together for 10 years, but they have been officially married for 7 years. Our number 4 is the latest addition to the ZimGospel family, Baba Harare, who converted from secular music and now goes by the name of King David. Even though the pictures of Baba Harare's new wife flooded the internet, we still don't know a lot about her. We know that he recently started showing her off in 2024 and that her name is Becca. Other than that, we don't know anything else. Moving along with the Zimpraise family, Melissa Makwasha and Joseph Mazire. In October 2021, Joseph paid Rora for Melissa and they promised us a white wedding which never happened, which has led some people to believe that they are no longer together. But in a recently held interview, Melissa revealed that they are still married to each other, which means they've been married together for about 4 years. At number 6, we have Madindi from Joyful Praise. She is married to her husband Gamaliel Madindi. These two met in 2012 at a gospel show in Gweru and got married in 2016, which means they've been married for 9 years in 2025. Moving along with Joshua Mtima, the leader and founder of the music group The Unveiled Zimbabwe. He is married to his wife Kudzai Mtima. Very little is known about this couple as they recently got married. All we know is Joshua proposed in February 2024 and they got married in June 2024. At number 8, we have Pastor Bonnie Dushel and her husband Tom Dushel. Very little is known about this couple as they are quite private, but we do know for a fact that these two have been married for over 40 years. Moving along with another gospel giant, Tembelami Dube. This energetic singer is married to Anisu since 2018 and they currently have 2 children. At number 10, we have the UK-based gospel singer Eliana Makombe, who is married to her husband Tinashe Makombe. These two got married in 2012 and they have 2 children. At number 11, we have Tekshua and his beautiful wife Kudzai. These two have been married for 10 years, having tied the knot in 2015. Moving along with Pastor G and his wife Pamela Gwanzura. As a man who doesn't like to share much about his personal life with the public, it is not known exactly for how long Pastor G and his wife have been married, but they've been married for more than 20 years. Our number 13 is Everton Mlalazi and his beautiful wife Priti Mlalazi. These two have been for more than 10 years and have got 3 children. At number 14, we have Janet Manyowa and her husband Mnyarazi Manyowa, who is also her manager. These two have been married for 14 years and are the parents of 3 children. Moving along at number 15 is the renowned gospel singer Shingisai Suluma and her husband Pastor Stefan Suluma. These two got married in 1996 and have been together for 29 years and are the parents of 2 children. Our number 16 is the legendary gospel musician Baba Mechanic Manyeruke and his wife Helena Manyeruke. These two have been married for more than 30 years and have got 7 children, 4 boys and 3 girls. Moving along with Blessing Shumba and his wife Pauline Shumba. These two are somewhat a private couple. Very little is known about their personal lives. Number 18 is the gospel diva Ivy Kombo and her husband Bishop Admire Kasi. Ivy Kombo and her husband are not very open about their marriage, mainly because of the controversies that surrounded their union, but they've been together for a long time. Moving along with Patience Masiambiri Mandija and her husband, who also doubles up as her manager, Farai Mandija. This is another very private couple and all we know is they've been married for more than 10 years. At number 20, we have Babana Mai Dhuterere. This is one very inspirational couple. They are the true testament of the saying, a couple that does everything together stays together. They also have been married for more than 10 years. At number 21 is the UK-based gospel artist Sharon Manatsa and her husband Sex Manatsa, who is the son of the late Sex Manatsa. This lovely couple has been married for 11 years, within which they've become the proud parents of 2 children. Moving along with the energetic Wellington Kwenda and his wife Hazel Kwenda. These two have been together for about 5 years and only have 1 child. At number 23, we have Pastor Olinda Marova and her husband Mike. Mike and Pastor Olinda have been married for 5 years. Mike paid Rora for her in 2020 and they have only one child. Our number 24 is renowned gospel musician Fungisai Zvakavapano Mashavave and her husband Courage Mashavave. These two got married in 2006. They've been together for 29 years and currently have 3 children. Moving along, we have Obert Mazivisa and his wife Lucy Mazivisa. These two have been married for 24 years and they are the proud parents of 2 children. At number 26, we have Bethan Pasnawa Ngolomi and her husband, who is also her producer, Lighton Ngolomi. This happy couple has been married for 13 years, having tied the knot in 2012, but they like to maintain privacy around their children, hence we do not know if they have any.